Okay, here I am on Airbnb, and I have been told over and over again that Spain is really a great place to explore and to take a look at for retirement. So what I did is the unthinkable. I put into the search criteria entire place, and then I put up to $604 per month. And in my filters, I asked for a kitchen, beachfront, and Wi-Fi. And I came up with 13 stays. So let's take a look. This is the first stay that came up. And this is in Spain. Let's look at it. It's $599 a month. And that would be for 6 months, September to March of 2022. This looks pretty nice, guys. This looks pretty good. 50 meters from Mediterranean beach, stunning views and a large sun deck. Okay, let's take a look at the pictures. We know it has Wi-Fi. We know it has a kitchen. And we now know it has a stunning balcony. Great looking piece of property for $600 a month for 6 months. And that's what you call traveling slow around the world while retired. This is what I came up with for under $600 a month, right on the Mediterranean Sea in Spain. Now there's another reason that Spain is so popular. When you go back to the map, the overall map, and let me reduce the size here to the right of your screen, you will see that Spain is really, really close to a lot of different countries within Europe that you can travel to with ease. What you should know is that you can only stay in Spain for 3 months, and then you would need additional permission. But the thing about being in Spain, especially with the high-speed rail system throughout Europe, is Italy is only 1,000 miles away. France is 690 miles approximately away. Germany is 1,200 miles. Switzerland is 1,000 miles. And Turkey, Istanbul, is 2,184 miles. And once you get to Turkey, you can just go across the river or the channel and you will be in Asia. So there's so much that you can do, not to mention that you can go down south and get into Africa, to Morocco, or you can even take the high-speed rail system into the UK. You're so close to everything. Plus they have these budget airlines over there that are very inexpensive. So you can travel all around Europe and still have your home base in Spain. Now I'll show you later on in the video another option, a place where you could stay for another 3 months, so you can make your stay worthwhile for 6 months out of the year. I am just having a wonderful time looking at and finding beachfront property for under $600 around and different parts of the world. Let's take a look at a beachfront apartment in Spain. I want to show you this unit for 2 reasons. 1, because of the location is magnificent, and 2, because the decor for the unit is bright, attractive, and simple, and easy to duplicate. If you are designing a small studio for rent, you can take suggestions from this decor. Inexpensive, yet looks like $1 million. The small town is approximately 217 miles from Barcelona, Spain, and is a beachfront property on the Mediterranean Sea. Spain is more expensive than Mexico or Montenegro. The locals in Spain earn approximately $1,600 a month. and the rents reflect the cost of living. Yet there are some good deals out there, so book your rentals now while rates are still cheap. Once the economies improve, the rents will go back up. This unit is approximately $500 a month in the last quarter of 2021 and the first quarter of 2022. American citizens can enter Spain visa-free and stay for 3 months. If you want to stay longer than 90 days, you will need to contact the Spanish Immigration Office. Montenegro is a country in Southeast Europe. It is located on the Adriatic Sea and is a part of the Balkans. Cost of living in Montenegro is, on the average, 17% higher than in Mexico, and the rent on the average is 2.99% higher than Mexico. This means the country is extremely affordable and well worth looking into. The locals earn an average of $650 a month, so a retirement or digital nomad income of $1,200 a month would enable you to live comfortably in Montenegro if you should decide that you want to stay and if the country so allows it. U.S. citizens traveling with U.S. passports, you do not need a visa to enter and stay in Montenegro for up to 90 days. However, visitors must register within the first 24 hours of arrival. So yes, this beautiful, picture-perfect apartment right on the sea can be yours for 3 months for $555 a month.